So hey, it's been way too long since I've been flying. It's been, I don't know, 3 weeks or something like that, maybe even more. I can't even remember. If I can't remember the last time I went flying, it's been too long. So Emmett and I are going up in his plane, and we're gonna shoot some circuits. Just do some circuits. The lighting conditions and the snow conditions just aren't right for off-field, but the snow on the runway should be packed down from the snowmobiles. We had one of Emmett's friends' kids come out with his snowmobile and blaze a trail from the hangar to the runway, so hopefully we can taxi out to the runway and get some circuits in. It's not going to be great. It's not going to be there's no good lighting. It's not good video weather really, but I figured I'd shoot a quick clip anyway, because you're probably just as excited to go flying as I am, because it's just been that long. So here we go. I am trying out sort of this kind of vlogging, kind of where I talk to you like on the ground and kind of show you what's going on before I go flying, not just like the action cams in the plane. I figured I'd try it out today because I don't have any action cams on Emmett's plane. So I just have my one head cam that I'll put on, and I'm gonna try to get the audio plugged in anyway so you can hear what we're saying, and you'll just have my point of view from the back seat, where I'll try to keep my head steady and kind of not flip my head around too much. And I'll bring this camera with me too, and maybe zoom in on some interesting things while we're flying. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think. Do you like this? Do you want more of it? Do you want less of it? You're like, no Matt, we don't want to hear you talk, we want to see you fly, and that's it. So if that's the case, I'm happy to oblige. I'm too much of a talker as it is. I'll probably talk your ear off if you let me. So oh yeah, ear pressure changed there. Going down, I went down a slight hill, you know, ears popping. Must be cold season or something. Sinuses are all plugged up. They're not really, actually, but anyway, that's the state of the affair. That's the State of the Union. Nope, that was Trump the other night. Didn't even watch, don't know what happened. Anything interesting? Somebody let me know. Oh, it's potholey here. Holy potholes, Batman. See, this is the kind of crap I'm talking about. You turn a camera on me and just say start talking, and this is the kind of stuff you have to listen to. So I'm gonna cut here. I'll pop the camera back open once we get to the airport, and we'll go from there. And before you start going, you're cameraing and driving, the camera's attached to the dashboard, and I turned it on before I started driving, and I will turn it off when I come to a full stop. I'm not going to be messing with the camera while I'm driving. I'm not touching electronic devices while I'm driving. I'm not breaking any laws. Just wanted to let you know that, so that you don't, because you know there's all kinds of like, electronics and driving is dangerous, you'll die. You probably will, actually. Yeah, don't do it. It's unsafe. So flying and electronics, cool, right? No problems there, but don't be doing it while you're driving. So see, here we are at a red light, and I'm going to, with the same muscle memory I would use to turn off the radio, I'm going to turn off the camera, and I will see you at the airport, and we'll go from there. That's the concoction. Apparently, is that the concoction?
I don't know. That's just what we come up with.
That's the thing, to move the plane. I like the looks of that. Here, hold this. I'm going to try the concoction. Watch out for your head there. There's a wing.
How about you video?
Oh, okay, and let's see how this do. So here's the idea. Let's have a look at this before we go too far. So the idea is the skis sit on top of this, and then the wheels, well, the wheels let it roll. Duh. This isn't rocket science so far. But on the back, there's a castering, I don't know if you can see that, wheel down there, so we can turn the plane around. And also, now check this out. See, we've got this lip here, so when we pull backwards, the skis don't fly off. And when we go forwards though, watch what happens.
I have to clear that over there.
Oh yeah, you're good, you're clear. One of them. So the idea is the wheels stop and the skis keep going. Yeah, you got it. Just, you know, more muscle. Do you want some help? I could help. No, it's better if I videotape, actually, isn't it? Isn't that neato? And now when we come back, we'll pull the plane back up to here, pick them up onto there, put them inside these runners, and then we can just pull the plane back into the hangar. Dude, I like it. That worked well. Nice job.
I turned it almost to 360 here, and I stopped it on the crack, and I started it out.
Oh, yeah, see, we had this awesome crack here to deal with as well. But all of that's been engineered. Oh, look at that. I wasn't even looking at the camera. There we go. That's better.
It worked?
It worked. I like it. All right, so the idea here is to go flying in the plane. However, this is what we're dealing with. See that? There was supposed to be a guy with a snowmobile come out here and break it up so we wouldn't have that to go on. But we're gonna see if we stay on top of the crust with the plane. So I guess we'll find out in a minute. So yeah, it's breaking through the crust a little bit. That's with just Emmett on board. I like how he left me all the way back of the hangar. I said taxi it out a little bit, and then if it doesn't break through, I'll hop in. He just went. That's cool. I'll walk. I don't mind, whatever. Just a little quick walk, you know, other end of the airport. Whatevs. Anyway, we'll see how it does with me in there as well. And we'll go from there. So, all right, take two. We'll try this. Well, I said take two. We'll try this again. So the snow has abated, and if you look over there, this is you can kind of see as you zoom in on it here. You see the tops of the trees, then past the trees you see that hill. That hill, if we can see the tops of it, we are good for our pattern altitude. Also, the thing that we look for, oh, can't see it because of where I am. I can see it down at the other end of the runway. There's a, did you fall down?
I walked off the ramp.
I didn't even get that on camera. Could you do it again?
That's way too bad.
Ah, dang it. We almost had Emmett falling off the ramp. He didn't slip. He just fell because he couldn't see where he was walking. Not his fault at all.
You think the person that
shoveled it off would know?
Well, you think the person that has a school there, you know? That...
Right. Oh, are you trying to say me?
Nope.
Speaking of the school, there it is right there. Ultralight training. Venture Flight Academy. I know that guy. It's me. So yeah, plane got a little bit of snow on it. No ice though, so no big deal there. And the ceiling, according to the latest weather report, is at 1,100 feet, and we need 1,000 feet because that's our pattern altitude. So we got 100 feet on top of what we need. So we're good to go. Look, we got crows. So if we have crows flying, where'd they go? I can't see them. Oh, there's one. So if we got crows flying, we're good to go, right? Isn't that how there's a rule there? Is there a rule there?
I thought it was as the crow flies.
Oh,
I had no idea.
I knew there was a something. All right. Well, let's go blow the snow off of this thing and go flying. Again. Let's see if it starts in one pull. I don't think it'll start in one pull. It's too cold. It's been, what, half an hour since it's turned off?
Yeah, oh, probably.
Watch out for your head there, there's a wing. I'm gonna say...
Am I gonna go solo today so I don't have to listen to the background noise?
No. All right, this is the one.
We're good.
We're good. So how did you like that flight? We're down. I don't know how much of my action camera picked that up because it died partway through. The contour died.
It was a lot of fun.
The wind picked up a bit more than was forecast.
Yep.
We got some good bumps, some turbulence here and there. But plane handled it.
It'd be neat if you got it when we were taking off when the plane. Did you get that?
I think so. I think the camera lasted that long on my head. So we'll see, hopefully, one way or another. But it was good. It was nice to get back in the air. It's been a while since we've been in the air, ever since we crashed.
No, I was just a passenger. Remember, I was the one that did the walk.
Ever since I crashed.
Right, I was the walker. I was the one you made walk. I don't know how many people come in the shop and said, I seen you crash. You're crazier than hell.
Anyway, whatever. Yeah, so that's it, I guess. We got the Beaver away. Those things worked awesome.
We're going to call them dollies.
Dollies? We're going to call them a dolly.
We're calling them our dolly.
Yep, I like dolly. Dolly is a good word.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, we're going to close up the hangar and go do whatever, like go home, I guess, whatever. I don't know. So that's it?
That's it.
That's it.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
The voice in the back of my head's going to be gone here in a minute.
Say goodnight, Emmett.
Good night, Emmett.